Polaroid Pop. It's almost the same, but now it automatically prints full-color photos in the classic 3x4 format, with the border. Don't you like that border?
Yep.
Yeah, you do. The Pop lets you write captions directly on the photo and print instantly. Just connect to a mobile device and your Pop becomes an instant photo printer. Even share on Facebook and Instagram. See? Look how easy that was. Now, time to tackle rush hour. Oh, and no more flapping the photo, waiting for it to appear. It's instant, like that bowl of noodles you're eating. The Pop captures 20 megapixel details. Now you can record full HD video or a fun GIF. Your cups of coffee or your wedding day never looked better. Aww. Oh wait, the screen has changed too. So now just use the 4-inch touch LCD to frame and navigate and add emojis and share and... Yep, print. There, you got this. Because some things don't get old, they just get better.
Aura, the ultimate drone with gesture robotics mind-blowing technology. Simply put the glove on and feel the power of having Aura right in your hand. Make 360 flips and show your skills flying like a pro right out of the box. Controlling a drone has never been so easy. New Aura, you have the power. From KD Interactive.
Do you often find yourself worrying over your family's safety and your home security, especially when you are away? Keep a watchful eye over your loved ones and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing they are secure. Hey, I'm John from Sir Gawain, your trusted name for premium surveillance equipment. And today we are taking a closer look at the Mini Spy camera equipped with motion detection and night vision. Each box includes the camera, a user guide, USB and TV cable, a fastening clip that allows 360-degree rotation, neck lanyard, and a pin. This Mini Spy camera is so compact and inconspicuous that it blends easily and discreetly in your home. The built-in battery also makes this camera portable, allowing you to shoot video from anywhere. You know the saying, when the cat is away, the mouse will play. Catch a burglar in action. See who keeps sneaking to that cookie jar. Keep a close eye on your caregiver to make sure your kids or the elderly are not being abused. Place it in your office and see if your employees are getting into any mischief. With Sir Gawain, you won't miss a thing. It features full 1080p, 720p Full HD quality with a 150-degree wide-angle lens and a photo mode for selfies. It is also equipped with night vision so you can see every detail, even in the dark. And it also has all-important motion detection system that not only warns you that there is movement, but it allows you to save battery runtime. Choose auto on upon detection or record 24/7 when charging. Just place the camera on a wall or surface that gives the best view. Switch on and choose your preferred mode. When ready, attach the camera to your laptop or TV and start viewing.